everybody, first time RVers. How's everything going today? It is Thursday morning. I'm heading out to work, but I'm gonna stop by the camper real quick, turn on the refrigerator so that thing will cool down some. Tomorrow morning we're gonna load it up and we're going to be heading to Williamsburg, Virginia, to the KOA. We're gonna leave early in the morning so we can get there, get set up, and then we're gonna hit Howl-O-Scream at Busch Gardens again like we did last year. Last year when we went, we bought a year pass and they expired this weekend according to Dawn, so this will be our last weekend to be able to enjoy Busch Gardens and Howl-O-Scream. So we'll see you when we're at Williamsburg KOA. Talk to you soon. All right, here we are. Howl-O-Scream. Nothing's going on right now because it's daytime, but at 5:45 the fun starts. So
the fun.
So we'll pick up again then. There it is, first one of the night, vault. It's 5:45 when the scary people are heading out to their posts. They have some of the coolest things here. I don't know if you can see, but all up in the air there are just tons of jack-o'-lanterns hanging. Everywhere you go are just little scare zones. You got things making noise in the woods beside you. You can see all the dry ice or fog machines. Into Axe Alley. So if you're a kid at the KOA here, you've got plenty to do. At the front they got big jumping pads and a big huge playground, and then they bring in extra things like they'll have petting zoos, and here's a rock climbing. See Madison there getting to the top. So what do we have behind us, Madison?
A playground, gravity rail. I don't know the name of it.
Yeah, they call it a gravity rail, but it's kind of like a zip line back there. You see it? But this is one of the new playgrounds they added. Let's wait and see if we can catch someone going on there. There you go. Yeah. It's kind of cool. New little feature there. Hey, good morning. It is Sunday morning. We got to get ready to leave here. And we got a little predicament. These sites are quite shallow. I mean, my back end is darn close to the road there. I can't fit my truck in over here. And then we got this tree right here. That truck behind the tree, and then some cars over there. And I know that I'm not going to be able to make that turn to get out of here. So my guess is we're just going to have to back out. There's a lot of space there, so I'll be able to back out right there. And that's what I'm going to do. Try to back out this morning. So we'll see how that goes. There it is, everyone. Howl-O-Scream 2018. Oh, hold on. Hello? Madison, where are you? Get down here. We got this video to do. Come on.
Oh, hello. I made it.
So, there it is. Howl-O-Scream. Another fun year. We probably will not be getting season passes anymore, so we may not be doing any videos there, but still a fun time. Where are we going to be next, Madison? Daddy Joe's, once again in Tabor City. Yogi Bear's, we're going to be there Thanksgiving. So that's where we'll pick up next. You'll be able to watch us and see how good we do cooking Thanksgiving dinner.
I think my phone broke.
Oops. All right, thanks everyone. As always, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Like the video. Share with your friends. Comment. We love reading the comments. And we will see you soon. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.